This is Project 6, Feed Store. You own and operate a small country feed store. You track your inventory using an Access database. You are creating forms to help you manage your business. Task 1, modify the loading ticket form to display the item number, description, and size from the feed table beneath the quantity field on the form. Arrange each of these added fields using stacked table and stretch across top positioning and save your changes. So I'm going to right click on loading ticket form, and I'm going to open this in design view. On my design tab, I'm going to go over to my tools group and select add existing fields. In my field list pane to the right, I'm going to click show all tables. And you want to make sure the feed section is expanded. So if you have a plus sign here, click that. It will expand it to all fields. So we want to add, let's see, first we want to add the item number beneath quantity. So we're going to click and drag that, and we can drop it below that. Let me scroll down a bit. Then we want to do the same for description and also size. All right, so with size selected, we're going to go up to our Arrange Contextual tab. And here in our table group, we're going to select Stacked. And then in the Position group, we want to select Anchoring and then stretch across, Stretch across top positioning. So stretch across top. And then we're going to do the same for the other two we added. Stacked, stretch across top, stacked, and stretch across top. Right, then we can click Save to save the changes on our loading ticket form, mark as completed, and move to task number 2. Create a query using the description, size, and price fields from the feed table. Accept the default name feed query and open the query. So in our Create tab on our ribbon, we're going to go to our query wizard. I think I clicked on the wrong thing. Create and query wizard. I clicked on design on mistake. Hope that doesn't mess me up here. We want simple query wizard and click OK. Then in our tables queries dropdown, we're going to select the feed table. From here, we want the description field, and we want size and price. Then we can click next from here, and we can click finish. Mark as completed, and move to task 3. Modify the button label on the loading ticket form to read print loading ticket and save the form. We're going to open loading ticket in design view. We're going to select our print form button here, and we want to highlight the text. We're going to update this to print loading ticket. We can click Save on our Quick Access toolbar and mark as completed. Task number 4, apply a narrow margin to the loading ticket control located in the header of the loading ticket form and save your change. So I'm still in my design view of my loading ticket form. And here in my form header section, I'm going to select the loading ticket control. I'm going to go up to my design contextual tab, and in my I'm going to go up to my Arrange tab, and in my position group I want to select the control margins and set this to narrow, and then I can click Save from my Quick Access toolbar, mark as complete, and move on to task 5. Add the shortcut Alt and the letter P to the Print Form button in the feed order form. I'm going to right click on feed order and open in design view. I'm going to double click on the print form here. This opens my property sheet pane. We just want to add the end signed here, hit save, mark as completed, and we can grade our project. We have our 5 green check marks, and we can move on to our final project number 7.